Shenzhen Bright Glassware Company Limited was founded in 2013 and specializes in the design and production, which is handled by our associate factory of high-quality glassware and accessories. Our product portfolio includes a wide variety of items, such as candle holders, glass jars, candle lids, diffuser bottles, perfume bottles, and drinking glasses. These products are extensively used in sectors like home fragrance, cosmetics, and daily household use. We also offer comprehensive customization services, including spray coating, electroplating, frosted finishing, silkscreen printing, hot stamping, decal application, laser engraving, and custom packaging, allowing clients to personalize products according to their brand needs. We have a professional team who focus on quality control and inspection and after-sales service. In order to supply the good products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Bright Glassware only supply quality products with efficient service. We're doing everything to offer our customers with good services and good products. The company keeps living up to belief of honest selling, good quality, people orientation, and benefits to customers. We promise that we will be responsible all the way to end once our services begin. We are always working to improve our existing products and create over 300 new models every year to satisfy with customers' requests. We would like to provide you high-quality products at very reasonable price with our heart and soul service. We are looking forward to establishing long-term successful business relationships with our clients all around the world. Welcome to Inquiry. Welcome to Bright Glassware.